It starts with an email marketing plan. You need to plan your email strategy prior to starting a campaign. To do this effectively, there are several steps you must follow. Step 1. Set your email marketing goals. Every business will have different objectives when it comes to launching email campaigns. There are a lot of factors that might affect and influence your goals, such as your budget, the size of your business, your email marketing experience, the industry you are in, the way your marketing channels are prioritized, and so on. Your goals can either be general, such as building brand awareness, or they can be more quantifiable and number-based. Step number 2. Define your audience. Your next step is to create a buyer persona and hone in on the specific characteristics of the people you want to reach. As with every other marketing channel, don't try to go after everyone. You need to get to know your ideal audience so you can target your email marketing campaigns at the people who are most likely to purchase your products and services and support your business. Step number 3. Start building your list. Prior to sending out emails, you must collect contacts to send the emails to. Now that you have your goals in order and you've defined your target audience, you can start collecting emails. Here are the first steps to follow when you start building your email list. Place email sign-up forms on your website. Add sign-up forms to social media pages. Include a call to action in your email signatures and anywhere else that you can ask people to subscribe. The work you did in the previous 2 steps will pay off tremendously in helping you collect emails from targeted subscribers. Make sure you include compelling text explaining to users what they will get in exchange for signing up. Offer valuable incentives and make the sign-up process as easy as possible. Step 4. Decide which emails to send. Now that you're actively growing your list of contacts, you can start planning the types of emails to send to your subscribers. As previously discussed, the emails you choose will depend on the type of small business you're running. Most businesses start with a short welcome series and then send a newsletter once or twice a month to maintain consistent engagement with their audience. You can also choose to add occasional promotional emails, product update emails, etc. Step 5. Design and craft your emails. Many marketers argue about whether or not email design is important and if it's worth spending money and time to ensure that your message looks amazing. While some argue that the goal and content of a message are more important and that a simple email is better, others swear by emails that contain lots of rich media. Whatever you choose, put some thought into ensuring that your emails not only reflect your brand, but also resonate with your target audience. Step 6. Track the results. After you start sending your emails, you have to track the results, analyze the data, and tweak your strategy to improve your results. Analyzing email marketing data is crucial to achieving success. It's the only way to know what works and what doesn't, so you can stop wasting time on tactics that don't bring results and rather focus your efforts where they will generate the best ROI. You can track how many people opened your emails, who opened which email, what did they click on, who opted out of your emails, and so on. This data is readily available from your email marketing service, and it can help you take advantage of many email marketing opportunities in your industry. Just make sure that you keep track of the right email metrics and act upon them. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs, to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.